Is this a mealybug or a Mealybug Destroyer? I think it's a Mealybug Destroyer. Gosh, I wish I knew which one it was. It looks like a Mealybug Destroyer to me, but then again, it's been a few years. It's on the edge of my driveway. And honestly, like, here. Well, okay. It's kind of turning around. Here's the edge of the grass. We ain't had no good solid rain for over a month now. And so there this little dude is. And there's the morning glories around my mailbox. So I don't know if that's where it was headed, because this is just the edge, you know, the edging that needs done, and some weeds. Anyways, there's really, you know, there's grass, but like I said, no rain. What are you doing, little dude, fella, thing, it? Wow, I wish I knew which it was right now. Because one is good and one is bad. I want to know if it's the good guy. I think it's the good guy, because I see the head. I think a mealybug, you don't really see the head. Wow, that thing can get a move on when it wants to, doesn't it? You gonna eat it? Wait a minute. No, eat it, dude. If you're a where you at? If you're a Mealybug Destroyer, pretty sure that's a type of aphid right here. Eat that sucker. Eat it. Eat it. You're not eating it.